It's Chris Hansen, sitting here. I just made a pot of, boy, they got this thing sold, just, it's amazing. They got it all magnified or something, this whole pot here. I mean, this is I can't believe just how they're, wow. Anyways, I just made a pot of chicken, well, not chicken soup, pork. Cut some pieces of pork up in it, some carrots, onion. So they blocked Kim O'Neill's messenger. Anything I try sending her that's religious, they have blocked. So all the messengers are blocked. I tried sending it to her timeline. It doesn't look like it showed up. This video on Revelation and all the harp locations, a map of all the harp locations. They blocked it all. The lady blasphemer, the one that's blaspheming the Holy Spirit through my head, this EEG cloning, she's been talking through this terrorist network over in the west by a Coast Guard base in the airport across the sky there on the island of Oahu all night long. All night. And by hacking my phone.